What's up, it's Mike here, and today I'm going to show you how to make this stylish pallet bar for less than $150. So this is going to be a quick and easy build. You're going to need about 13 pallets to get this project done. You can find those outside of normally large retailers like Lowe's or Home Depot, and sometimes you can even find them outside your grocery store or even a Dollar General. So I started out by laying out 3 pallets long ways lined up, and what I did was I put a screw into a 1x4 along each side, the front and the back, to hold it in place. And once you got that done, cut a piece of plywood or OSB to cover your floor. You don't want anybody's feet falling through the floor when they're back there tending the bar. And when you got that done, go on ahead and screw it or nail it into place. Now take the pallets, stand them on their sides, put some screws and nails in the base of it so that they'll stand up. Make sure to go all the way around your base and leave one of them out so that you can have room for entry behind your bar.
That's on film.
Huh? Came down to my bar countertop, and yes, I'm doing my fingers in air quotation marks here. I put down a 2x8. That'll give people plenty of room to be able to put down their drinks and not worry about spilling. Once you get everything filled in, now it's time to put a roof on this baby. All I did was take a couple of 2x4s and ran them across the top for my support beam. But you could easily use a 4x4 if you want a little bit more support. I also ran a 1x4 down the back. That'll give me something to fasten my rafters to. So then I took another 1x4 and I started cutting up about 5 pieces that I can use for my rafters. The bar itself is about 4 feet in depth, so I cut these to about 5 feet to give myself plenty of room for an overhang. Now for the actual roof, the only thing I did was overlapped a couple of pieces of OSB and then topped it off with some felt paper and some shingles. Nothing fancy, but it gets the job done. Now it's time for a coat of paint. Seeing as how pallets aren't exactly made out of the strongest wood in the world, you might want to weatherproof it before you do this. Or you could just say, get it. All I said and done, it turned out pretty good. The only thing that was left is to decorate it and fill it up with booze. Or juice if you have a family or something like that. After that, I put up some decorations, like some lights and some tiki torches and things like that. And stocked it with booze, even made myself a little shelf out of some of the wood and stuff that I had left over from one of the pallets that were broken. Seeing as how I built this right at the beginning of the coronavirus shutdown, so I invited a few of the guys over to help me break in the build. There's nothing like having a good solid group of people over to help you break in your build properly, and you've got to celebrate those small victories in life, no matter how bad things are right now. This shutdown will end, but it's important for us to have a place to go to keep our ties and everything strong. And this turned out really great for something that should only take you a couple of afternoons tops. And with that being said, I hope you have a lot of luck with your build. Practice social distancing and be safe out there. And without being too long-winded, I'll see you in the next build. Peace. Hi, I'm Michael Wiley, and today I'm going to show you how to build this. What do I do with my hands?
Just talk normal.
All right.